So this is the off-grid system that we've built. We've got a building here that is a shop, and it's got no mains power at all. So the client's actually bought a Hyundai generator. That's a DHY 12500 SE. He's got two outputs. We've got in 32 amps there. He's got two breakers on board. He's got I don't know if you can see there. I'll just try and pull out. You've got 32 amp and you've got 42 amp there, and you've got the onboard ATS panel. It's an auto start mode, which is that light there. It shows your frequency, voltage and amps. You have got a 63 amp socket here that we're not using, and key start there. It's in auto mode. So it's got an onboard tank here. You can see your fuel level there. He's changed the fuel filter, which is just here, and you've got another fuel filter here from the pickup from the tank. Fill-ins there. Nice generators. So yeah, it just does what it says on the tin. Run for about 12 hours, so it's got quite a long run time. Best get one of these with the ATS, so you can auto start. That's what one of the wires are there. So just built this enclosure. It's nice and ventilated all the way around. It's gonna have a cage in here, so you can't, so you can let all the fumes out and stuff like that. So that's the generator. Then we just trade along the back here, put all the connections in, and then into what we've built as the plant. So we've got 4 Pylon-Tech 5000, so we've got 20 kilowatt battery minus the 10%, so probably got about 16 usable, 20 overall. Then we've got the MPPT RS450-100. We've got 16 panels on the roof here. Also got a panel here that was a bit of an overrun. There's not much shading on that. There's a tiny bit maybe, but we can't use optimizers with the RS450s. So we've got all the fuses in there. We've also got the GX screen, which is there. We've also got the Quattro 48 volt 5 kilowatt inverter that's currently on invert. So we've got an emergency light we're putting for the customer in case of power failure, and we've also got all the DC isolators here. Put it all in the trunk and put the end caps on. It's been a lot of work. Got the DC Blue Sea isolator for the batteries here. We've gone LAN internet instead of Wi-Fi for more reliability long term. Got the earth connection point here, all the correct labelling, and then we've got the changeover switch here between solar and generator. Earth neutral link inside. We've got cabin power on RCD. The generator is on HR07 rubber cable. Now we haven't gone RCD on that, so we've just left that straight to MCB, but we have gone additional protection with Copex and plastic. It hasn't got an earth metallic covering, but if you read about obviously rubber cables in temporary settings, it's all fine. So the cabin's protected with a 30 milliamp RCD. At the other end it's got 30 milliamp RCD, but we didn't have a choice. I have told the electrician to change that to 10 milliamp individual RCBOs instead of a split load dual split load 30 milliamp RCD board. So we haven't got any discrimination, but we've just built this plant as if you're going to plug a caravan plug into it, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is where we're at on everything. So it's all done and finished and running nicely, and you can, people don't believe you can go off grid, but you can. So we're making now at this time 200 watts of solar and 128 of load, so it's just lights in the shop, kettle now and again, and the battery's 100% and the generator's not started. It's ready to start. But yeah, that's where we're at. I hope you all like what we've done. Like and subscribe.